Hey everyone, it's Hungry Bear here. Do you struggle with getting a good night's sleep? You're not alone. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for getting better sleep, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Tip number 1. Isolate from blue light. One of the most important things you can do to improve your sleep is to turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bed. The blue light from screens can disrupt your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep. Tip number 2. Teas. Herbal teas, like chamomile, can help relax your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Tip number 3. Warm bath. Taking a warm bath before bed can help you relax and reduce stress, allowing you to fall asleep faster. Tip number 4. Meditate. Meditation can help calm your mind and reduce racing thoughts, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Tip number 5. Exercise. Regular exercise during the day can help improve your sleep quality at night, but avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can actually keep you awake. Tip number 6. A place where you sleep. Make sure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. Investing in comfortable bedding and pillows can also help improve your sleep quality. Tip number 7. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can help you relax and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your bedtime routine, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.